Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And here in this video I'm going to show you how to take inputs from outside or how to take outputs. Okay, like the previous one, taking an AVR32 and other key components that we need in this project. Okay, so I have taken a key component like here I have an LED bar graph and it includes with LEDs and it's a push button you can see, and it's a normal switch. So why I have taken these two types of switch, because these two works differently. So first of all, this one, so for this I'll need 220 ohm resistance. This of 220 ohm resistance, and although there is a mistake, there won't be a line like this, but it will be added with the VCC and through here it will be taken. Okay, and this will be connected to this one and the push button will be declared here. Okay, so this one, basically this kind of switch work as 1. That means whenever the switch is on it will show 1, and for this kind of switch it's always 1, so when it will be turned on the output will be 0. Okay, let me show you how it's work. First of all, the DDR C, okay, will work like this: DDR C, and DDR C equals to 0B. First of all, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. I guess it's fine. Okay, and for DDRD, all will be output. So as all our outputs, I think you can see here. So this kind of switch can basically, this for push button, this kind of switch are have floating resistance, so anytime it can show errors. So it's better to indicate them as 0 or give an output to them like port C, and it's better to use an OR gate here. Or let me use this one. Okay, so why I have used 0 here instead of 1? Because it's better to use 0, and for this it's better to use 1. Okay, so let's use a while loop. While 1 if so let's say if port C, if pin C and PC0, I'll turn all of the LEDs. Okay, let's say port D equals to 0xFF. Okay, let's copy the program file. Let's see if it's work. So I guess for this n percent it didn't work well. Okay, let's check again. No, it wasn't a problem. Maybe for this one. Yep. So here I can give and I don't know why. Let's see it later. Okay, I guess everything is fine. And so now let's check about this one. Okay, so this is on PC7. So if pin C and PC7, let's say PC7 equals 0. Okay, then port D will be 0x00. Let's check if it works. Not only 7 8, even if there is no number like 7 8 in hexadecimal, whatever. Let me add 07. Just a random number, nothing else to mean what it is. Okay, I guess this is else. So all of the bars are on, but nothing happens. Okay, let's see if it's let's let this to continue. So basically it's work this way. So you can use 0 here. And then it don't work. Because normally it's 0. And so I'll need to make here not get. Because from these things, if it's yes, it will say no, and the whole thing will be no.